Okay, so we are trying to pull the pulley off by hitting it with a, what's this thing?
That'd be a chisel.
Chisel?
So what's going on is we're finally starting to get some separation in this pulley. I tried heating it and then quenching it, and then
We lit on fire.
it lit on fire, yes.
It was all right.
Filled it with some PB Blaster. The PB Blaster seems to have helped. Product placement. But now what we've got is we've got the same pulley bracket, and we're using chisels to pound in behind the bracket, and it's, as we flip it, we're pounding these chisels against the nut heads, and we're starting to get separation on the shaft.
It used to be closed.
It used to be closed.
It's separated.
And you can see it starting to separate.
That's a cool.
I don't know if you can actually see it. If you can start to see it start to separate inside as well. So it's actually starting to come. We've got probably an 1/8 inch. We've moved it, and we got a ways to go. So go ahead, Gabe.
Okay, let's get back up.
All right. We're gonna adjust, and we're gonna hit the other one. You got to keep alternating.
So that one end doesn't get too open and the other gets closed. I want to show that. That can I try?
You can try. Go ahead and hit it once. Good job. We'll keep at it.
We moved this about a little less than an inch.
It's getting there. We're finally starting to get enough of this off that we can run the impactor on my little bracket here, and it's actually starting to pull it, so we can watch it move as we run the impactor. It's going to get loud. So we'll have it in just a sec. All right, so we are finally making some progress. We're to the point now where my little bracket that I built is actually working, and I can run the air wrench on it, and I can get the pulley to come off. So it's actually making progress. A lot of PB Blaster and heat and chisels and hammering, but we're getting it. So I'm thinking this should do it. All right, well, we're very close, but the bolt I'm using to drive off of in the center is too short now. So I need to get a longer bolt.
Why don't you use your 3-prong pulley puller?
Should have done this a little sooner. It's got a little close on me. Because the bolt head doesn't fit through the pulley. So I need a bolt that's long enough that the pulley can pull off without hitting the bolt head. I think I got some longer 1/2 inch bolts here.
Why don't you use the 3-prong pulley puller?
Because it doesn't work, dude.
Oh.
I'm afraid I'm going to break it, 1 and 2. I still need to push off of the bolts, so. Longer bolt. nibble the front of this, so that's why it's... Alright. And I might be able to just pull at this point. We'll find out. It's just coming. You heard there, the impactor didn't even have to hit, so it's getting there. This might just come. We got it.
We got it off.
It looks like the pulley itself is in okay shape. There's a couple scratches and dents, which I may have done trying to get this thing off. But those are scratched up a little bit. And so my concern is going to be seating a new one if I'm going to cause any issues. I may end up getting a new pulley, considering this one is was broken once by somebody other than me, and then I broke the side off of it. So,
Okay.
so we may want a new one. Now the next step is going to be to take the timing cover off. Some of the heads on some of the bolts may be bad after pounding against them to get the pulley off, but that's the next step.
Make sure you like our videos and subscribe.
Click subscribe.
Click subscribe. Bye.